name is Tanvi. Yes, I am studying grade 3 in Champion International School. Good morning everyone. My name is Tejasvi. I am studying in grade 3 in Champion International School. Our environment is important to us. When dirty and unhealthy things enter our environment, it is called pollution. There are 4 types of pollution: land pollution, water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. Then we will explain about water pollution and land pollution. Land pollution. When people throw waste in public places, it causes land pollution. Land gets dirty and makes the environment unclean. Air pollution. Smoke from factories and vehicles pollute the air. The air becomes poisonous and dirty. This is called air pollution. Water pollution. Water gets dirty when garbage is thrown into rivers, lakes, ponds, streams. Dirty water is called polluted water. It causes many diseases. Noise pollution. We hear many noise every day. Some sounds are pleasant, some sounds are unpleasant, and unpleasant sounds are loud music, loudspeaker, loud noise. This is called noise pollution. Throw garbage into the dustbin. Use the cloth bags. Grow more trees. Save water. Use a public transport. Say to don't use a firecracker. Save our environment. Thank you. Story to tell. It's about 2 children who used to throw things after once they used. Oh dear. So much garbage. The land is full, the river is dirty, the air is smoky. I am feeling very sick. Oh no, Mother Earth is in trouble. No worries. Help is on the way. Here comes the 3 superheroes. Meet them. Reduce Raja. Help people to use less, do not waste electricity or waste. I am reuse Rani. Why throw away? Use them again in a creative way. I am Recycle Raja. I heard all things into them new. Example, can, paper, bottle. You leave the light. We did not know we were hurting Mother Earth. Do you leave the light when you leave the room? Yes, sometimes. From now switch on, switch it off and do not waste water while brushing. See this empty jar. Turn it into a flat holder or pencil holder. Use both sides of the book. And throw plastic waste into my bin. Do not throw it in the wet waste. practically every day. Thank you. Thank you, superheroes. I am already feeling better. When we use, reduce, reuse and recycle, we heal the earth. And kindness is from grade 4.
We have recycle as
I am Dhruva from grade 5.
reuse,
I am Kamani from grade 4.
reduce,
I am Kusha from grade 5.
wet waste.
I am Anvita Reddy. I am from grade 2.
Thank you so much, children, for the wonderful performance. Thank you all the teachers, students, audience, and the participants for this wonderful performance. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.